mawuyekela kulela sonto lela uyekela banesikhathi semikhuleko yokukhulekela abantu abayekile banengoma abaziculayo ikhona ingoma ebayiculayo bathi adibalumeli intsha bathi babuyele esiyoni
hawu
lezo zinja lezo zindimoni the attacks that you will encounter once uyekela lapha that is why you cannot leave that church ungazi ukuthi uyapi ngeke if uyazi ukuthi uyapi uzobuyela khona lapha and ubuyela sewudlakadlaka bajabule manje bajabule bathi adibalumeli intsha bathi babuyele esiyoni dintsha tse is true those are demons and zizoza so I continue njalo baba uChabangu ngikhonza lapha ngikhonza but manje sengizibiza ukuthi mina manje ngumsiyono osindisiwe bemangala amazithi sisamangala ukuthi wena uri umusiyono ophulusitswe ngobulela sengithole insindiso eBhayibhelini ngingakasho mayizwa ngumuntu ngithole insindiso la eBhayibhelini baba
ngoba
ngiyalifunda insindiso bazalwane when you read the Bible angikhathali ukuthi ukhonza kuphi if ufunda iBhayibheli ubona uyifunde Holy Spirit will come near you and he will guide you uzoza akukhuphe ebumnyameni uyakukhipha ebumnyameni angikhathali ukuthi usemnyameni ongakanani but if you can read this before you just read this you'll see lot of things ezikubonisa ukuthi hey usendaweni wrong until wena akupha amandla Holy Spirit uzuphume angaqhubeka manje sengiqhubeka ngingumuntu osezithi hayi mina ngisindisiwe manje mina ngithini ke manje enhlizweni yami ngithi mina la kule cawe angizophuma ne angizophuma ngizoshumayela uJesu kule cawe ngithi uzoshumayela uJesu kule cawe manje ngithi one day ngizoba umfundisi kule cawe ngoshumayela uJesu yazi moya ngcolo wathini wathi bazokubulala and angizokuprotector hayibo i-cult le angithi mina ngifuna ukuguqula the church ngifuna ukushumayela uJesu ngifuna ushaya uJesu la kwi-cult they're going to kill you and I'm not going to be on your side ngamanye amagama umoya engcwele or uNkulunkulu akazimiselanga ukushintsha icawe ye-cult no ufuna baphume kuyo kuyaphumeka kumele baphume kuyo mina because of your loyalty loyalty bami nobustubborn bami ngidanga ngizohlala la ngizofundisa abantu uJesu sengimfumela uJesu eBhayibhelini babushabangu ngimtholile ngi-proud futhi mama ngiya emingcwabeni ukuthi yabona emingcwabeni yakwazi ukushumayela ngizoshumayela uJesu ebamangala abazethu ukuthi lo muntu le bathi mari wena ukhuluma njengathi manje ngithi mina ngumzethu ophulusitswe ngifundise ndisiwe ibeyibangala lathi siyaqala uyizwa lento le manje into yangikhiphayo lapha iyo leyo ukuthi uzofa you will die
ngoba kwi-territory la
kwi-territory yabo I cannot ngeke because vele ngizomshumayela uJesu nabantu kube nekuhlangahlangana and angizofa.
Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video. So former ZCC prophet went to a podcast here on YouTube called Quarter to Media to reveal the church's secrets because he says he experienced it all during the day. Number one, he said that there's no Holy Spirit. The ZCC, they of course worship the church leader Bishop Lekganyane. Not only that, he went on to allege that there's no person wako ZCC who leaves the church, and he says that whoever leaves the church of the ZCC will either go mad or go back to the church. He says that there is a certain song, as he claims that the song is called Adibalomedincha, meaning let the dogs bite them, and they sing that song, and it is said that when they sing that song, demons are sent to these people who quit the church, and the demons either make sure that you come back to that church or you go mad. He says that he too was participating in that. He says that there's no Holy Spirit. He says if you leave that church not knowing where you're going, you're definitely going to come back. You're definitely going to be in danger. He also goes on to say that he himself called himself a ZCC who is born again, and many people in the church were quite surprised as to how can he say that, because there's no salvation for the church of the ZCC. Guys, please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. What do you guys think about this? What do you think about this Habalume Dintsha song? Because this man of God says that when they sing that song, they dispatch millions of demons to former members. And you know, your life is going to be stagnant. You're going to be attacked by these demons. Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video. Do make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.